Hello everyone. I will be explaining conditional column, custom column, invoke custom column, and index column function. The options that are available in Power Query in this particular video. Sharing my screen. So first, to understand the conditional column function, let's say I have this calendar table. I forgot to rename this calendar table. So let's say I want to figure out the weekdays. I want to segregate the dates in between in weekdays and weekends. How can I do that? I can do that using a conditional column. So go to add column, select conditional column, weekend. Let's say I'm giving this heading to this particular column, weekend or weekday. Now, if I will select if working date, this is a visual if. If you have used it in Excel, it's a visual if. We apply formula in Excel equal to if something, but it is a visual if where we can just put the fields that are there in drop down, and accordingly we can just select. If working date equals, sorry, not date, I will do it with day name. If day name equals Saturday, then weekend add clause. If day name equals Sunday, add weekend. Else, I will say weekday. So what it will do is it will create a separate column with the name weekend or weekday and segregate the days in weekday or weekend. So this can be used while we prepare visualization to understand, for example, if it's a sales data, so we can understand whether how many customers are visiting a particular outlet on weekday and weekend, and accordingly the number of people can be uh, number of employees working in that particular uh, in in the organization can be increased or decreased basis the volume of customers that is coming over here. So this is how conditional column works. Now coming to custom column. So I'll go to this tab for custom column. For example, I have this price column and quantity ordered column. Now I want to know the overall price. So to know, I want to multiply the price with the quantity ordered. I can use custom column function over here. Go to add column, custom column, giving it a name as total price. Total price equal to, let's say, price multiply by quantity ordered. Okay, you can see for each row I have a new column where this price individual product price is multiplied with the quantity the product quantity, and accordingly I have got total price. Now we can do this thing by using invoke custom function as well. So I will how to use the invoke custom function. Basically what happens is, what is the difference in between using a custom column and invoke custom function? Custom function is only the formula that I have applied. This is only valid in this particular table. If I want to apply this formula to multiple data sets, I can do it with invoke custom, because that can be applied on multiple tables. I'll demonstrate you how, then you will be able to understand. So first go to home. I'll select on blank query. So here query 1. I will name it as total price. Total price. I will write price as number, comma, quantity as number, price into quantity. Select enter. Let me go to this. Add column, invoke custom function, price overall function query. See, would you? Okay. So, why the invoke functions was not coming up in that drop down, I have forgotten to place an equal sign over here. So once we do it, I can see, we can check it using examples. Let's say if I select price as 100 and quantity as 2, so invoke answer, it will give you the answer as 200. Just delete this. This is total price. Now this can be, this formula that we have applied over here, this can be imported on any data set that is present over here. So this is the benefit. Now you might be understanding, this is the benefit of using the invoke query function over the custom column function. So let me show you how we can import the function that we have created. Transform, add column, invoke custom function over, let's say the name that I want to give is overall price. Now I can see total price is coming over here. Now I need to select the columns that I need to multiply from this particular table. So I will select price. Here also, this is the data types coming over here is decimal number. You can either select a decimal number as well, but then you'll have to write that particular number, and then the price will be multiplied by that particular number only. But we want to do it with a column. So quantity ordered, select on OK. Now here overall price is coming over here. And similarly, if I want to apply it in this table as well, we can do that. And we can do that in all the tables we want to import that. So this is the benefit of using invoke custom function over the custom column. The formula that we have written over here, so this is known as M query. So this is a case sensitive language. We will be discussing in more measures in upcoming videos. Now, coming to the last topic for this particular video, let me explain you how to use index column. So index column is just you want to add a index into your data. So if you would, do you want to start it from 0 or from 1? Let's say if I want to start it from 0, I will be getting in the beginning, I will be getting a column. Sorry, in the end, I will be getting a column where the dataset will be indexed starting from 0. And if I select 1, it will be indexed from 1. This is how index function works. So this is it for today. Thank you.